Hello, this is Kevin from CryptoMY. In today's episode, let's talk about Mitrade today, so let's stay tuned. As you know, Mitrade has been sponsoring CryptoMY channel. Thanks to Mitrade. If you don't know what is Mitrade, let's check it out together, the summary of Mitrade. This video is sponsored by Mitrade. Immerse yourself in a seamless trading experience and explore more than 400 plus financial market with CFDs. Regardless of the market directions, discover great trading opportunities with every fluctuations. Enjoy zero commissions, competitive spreads, flexible leverage, and fast and reliable order executions with Mitrade proprietary trading platform. You can enjoy and trade hundreds of hot market right now. You can also monitor live market trends, view trading analysis, and check the latest economic news in real time. Access different types of charts on the go with the ability to apply drawing without hindering your trades at all. So start trading with Mitrade today by signing up using my referral link below. So if you haven't have an account yet in Mitrade, I'll put down the link at below so you guys can use my referral link to register an account in Mitrade. So Mitrade basically is a platform for you to trade like Forex, commodities, index shares, cryptocurrencies, so on and so forth. It offers about 400 over plus financial markets for you to trade in the platform. And there are a lot of things that you can use, like the tools where you can actually go for forecast, trading analysis, so on and so forth. So once you have logged in, it will look similar like this, where you have like a demo account for you to try out the platform, or you can actually switch to live account. And if you're not comfortable with using the web version, you can always go all the way down here, scan the QR code by downloading it to your phone and trade using your phone. But I prefer to use on the web version because the screen are larger, so I can see the chart even wider. So I can see what's going on and I know where to put this support and resistance line. Okay, so there is a search symbol here where you can search for anything like Bitcoin or even like pound versus USDT, even stocks, SPX 500, and there are many things that you can actually look at it. You think of it, you just search, is basically there. And I think the tools are quite straightforward. The tools are all here. Even there is a Heikin for people who like to use Heikin. I think this is quite good platform for you to utilize. And simple. I think the thing here is quite straightforward. If you want to switch it to a live account, you want to deposit straight away, you can deposit. They even accept touch and go for Malaysian. That's pretty good. That's pretty cool. So let's search for some platform. I already created some of the positions earlier. I just want to test it out by myself. And for example, if I prefer to look into pound versus US dollar, I just search for pound versus US dollar and you're able to see this is the chart. 4-hour time frame, daily time frame, weekly time frame. And if you want to know more news about, like what's happening around the world, what's happening to pound, what's happening to US dollar, I would actually recommend Forex Factory. So Forex Factory, when you open up, it looks something like this, where you're gonna see what's happening around the world right now, what's happening to euro, US dollar, pound, and so on and so forth. There are colors where orange, yellow, and red, it determines the impactful of the event itself. So usually I can filter out by myself. I can actually remove all these colors and I just click apply, and you're able to see like, oh, these are the important one that I need to take note, like a CPI, core CPI, and the next day PPI, and so on and so forth. So there's a lot of things that you can check out from here, and that's pretty it. So for example, if I think that, based on here, I gonna think that pound is gonna be rising, but I think I'm gonna take a sell move because the resistance line is quite near here. I mean the resistance zone is quite near here due to it's 1, 2. So right now it's quite near. So my stop loss are usually around this area. And my take profit can be around this area, for example. So you can see my take profit level, my stop loss level and my take profit level is like a 1 to 2. So if I earn double. If I lose 1. Fair enough. So I'm going to click sell. There is a lot size that you can create. For example, I'm going to put 1 lot size here. I can actually select the leverage that I want. I think 2RX is a lot, but it's up to you guys, depending on your risk appetite. Let's go with 30x, for example, and I can actually set the stop loss and take profit, or I can actually edit it later on. So let's say if I'm okay with this, I'm just gonna click sell, and there is my position here. They're here. Oh, here. Pound versus US dollar. Opening price right now. This is my opening price, and this is the current price. It's quite jumpy, and this is the profit and losses that I'm getting right now. So let's say if I want to put like a stop loss thing, I just click edit. I'm gonna put my stop loss. Depending on where I drawn, I'm gonna put a number and I click edit, and that's it. Simple as that. All right. So as a conclusion, I think this is a very good potential platform for you to trade if you are open to Forex, or you're open to commodities, you're open to index, shares, cryptos. I myself into cryptos, but having this option to trade different types, that is actually a good thing to have. All right. So if you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Gonna see you guys soon, and goodbye.